One eternity later.
What's going on, guys? Time to series. Today I'm back with another video. In this video I'll be showing you how to log in on your Monkey app. Let's get right into the video. So the first thing you have to do is you have to open the Monkey app. If you don't have it, I make a video about that, how to download a Monkey app. The link will be in the description. After you're on this page, you're just gonna click login. If you don't remember your username or your password, you're just gonna click to log in with your phone number, and you're gonna write your phone number. And you're gonna get code, and now they're gonna send you a code to log in, and you're gonna click enter. Now you're just gonna accept these things, like the steps. Shared location, don't allow, but I agree. Now it's right here. I'm signed up. I'm logging up right now. I can do whatever I want. This is my old account. You can see I'm logging out. I have the bananas too. And this how you do, guys. If this works for you, let me know in the comment section. And if this help you out, please don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe. And peace.